G'day, I'm Eddie Springer from Springer Solar, and today I wanted to talk to you about smarter solar systems. And more importantly, I want to talk to you about SolarEdge. Springer Solar has been around for 18 years, and it's really essential for us to partner with quality companies with quality products, and SolarEdge is one of those. SolarEdge has been around for a long time. They're a profitable inverter manufacturer. They are an Israeli company that offer excellent warranties and excellent products. SolarEdge is an optimized solution. So what that means is behind every panel, we have some electronics that allow us to maximize the performance out of the system. SolarEdge is different to your conventional string inverter system, and it is different to a micro inverter system. SolarEdge has a real place in the market for residential and commercial systems when we're trying to maximize the performance out of the system and also mitigate shade, give ourselves longer string lengths, and allow us to, get more out of the installation. SolarEdge can be more complex when designing and installing the system. And that's why when you're using SolarEdge or you're choosing to partner with SolarEdge, you need to ensure that you know how the system works and you know how it goes together. With SolarEdge technology, this little optimizer allows us to see the individual output of every single panel. We see the data from every single panel. You cannot sell SolarEdge with a poor quality panel. You will be found out. The customer will see the data, the end user will see the data, and there's no hiding from inferior panels. Some companies out there choose not to sell SolarEdge. They say that these optimizers fail, that the inverters have poor quality. That is not our experience. We love the product, we've been selling it for a long time, and we love the fact that you can't hide from the data. The customer sees everything. With our SolarEdge systems, we couple it with the SolarEdge Modbus meter. That allows our clients to see consumption data. So they're seeing on their portal exactly the energy they use, exactly the energy they produce, and they're seeing that the energy they produce at a panel level. The system data is second to none. The portal is second to none. It is an excellent product for every residential commercial systems. I touched on it before, the performance. I've got SolarEdge 100 kilowatt systems out there and conventional string inverter systems, and the SolarEdge system by far is producing more performance and more output in the same conditions in suburbs that are only 10 kilometers apart. These systems do generate excellent output. The optimizer allows us to track panels individually so that our strings are not reduced by a panel in the shade or by a poor performing panel. I cannot speak highly enough of SolarEdge and their technology, their smart energy systems. We can control relays, we can control hot water systems, we can turn pool pumps on and off, we can turn lighting systems on and off, all via the app, all by integrating the components of SolarEdge properly, designing the system properly, and installing the system properly. It's about choosing the right products, choosing the right installer, coupling that with a high quality panel, and you can't go wrong. Springer Solar and SolarEdge is a great partnership, and we hope that we can install this for you. As a preferred partner for SolarEdge technology, we hope that you will get in touch with us if you want a quote for your residential or commercial system. Also, check out some of our other YouTube videos talking about commercial solar systems, return on investment, things about Springer Solar, why we do what we do. Happy that you are watching, really appreciate your time. Love you guys out there. I'm out.